Today na Tuesday, June 30, 2026, and also the welcome you to the program. Morning Coffee will meet you live na SLBC FM 99.10 Afriton. Regional station, them several party station, them all about na the country. Morning Coffee, the project to the other thing, them where they happen all about inside salon. Where they bring the program today, my name na Ibrahim Samuel, and the journal for the program with me company.
David Agava Fambo, good morning. Thanks what inside today's edition of the program come out from Makomi Brownway Tap na Waterloo and Makomi say that word we much not able to talk is in a nose the talk am. Now the program this morning, Fambo government do announce reduction for the pump price of fuel. Petrol now from 35 now don't go to 33 Leone per liter, and also the diesel don't come down to 35 Leone per liter. We will talk to the Petroleum Regulatory Authority on how they come up with that one. Day. Same also as the government, we don't pull the pump price of fuel and do the new price. Labour Congress, they don't talk, say they're not glad at all with the way and manner how this reduction. Yeah. So they say, according to them, an insufficient reduction government do pan the pump price of fuel. 50-50 don't train Western urban woman dem, other than woman dem wey dey into agriculture with plenty skills so that they go dey continue for do agriculture work in the country. But police division at Kono dey investigate the die wey 2 bike man dem die na Nimiyama chiefdom inside Kono district. And today na the presidential town hall meeting where they take place na Makeni, and we will continue for hearing from salon people in different parts of the world, now the country, I beg your pardon, concerning wetin they want for make it happen na the presidential town hall meeting. And if they get opportunity for ask president question, the kind of a question them where they go ask to the president. This and plenty order to read it for you. Now the program, send comment to 034 100 034 or you send them to our Facebook live stream page when SLBC Radio 99.9 FM. Remember, say they get Morning Coffee through all we regional stations them across the country. Partner station then same way, so we don't link from different sides in the country. And of course, in case you want for listening to a rebroadcast of the program, do so by where you go listen to Universal Radio 98.9 Monday to Friday, 8 o'clock on the net, or you listen to the internet on the Facebook live stream page.
First story this morning, one for go inside Nimiyama Chiefdom, inside Kono District, outside the Motome Police Division, and other parts of the country, inside Kono. The amount of investigation for me and look inside the way a man away, they say 2 bike man and die, na the chiefdom. According to the media police, attached na the police division, it talk for say Friday 26 June 2026, around 1400 hours, then get one distress call where they receive from the division report say they don't discover the body them where one na skeleton na they don't see, and the na one bush and self the other one now one the body. They say this all will make the people in the chiefdom be get worried. Well, for talk more about that thing, they explain it to Valicious Ortega inside this interview.
Yes, I there for respond to an incident where happened today involving the murder of one Abdul Ture, where they see him body lifeless na one village, between one village where they call Betuama and Dombadu, nearby stream. So we therefore respond to that situation.
Since una discover this particular body, what una observe, what happen with this particular person?
Before self they come, we get a distress call. Say one bike man who they identify as Abdul Ture, they see him body together with him bike. The body die one na close to one water and a bike man. So as a result of that, the operation team led by Inspector Abubakar Kamara under the leadership of CSP Almami GCC, we come at the scene. And indeed, where we come today at around 2 o'clock, we see this Abdul Ture, a lay down near the water, in bike safety close to ram, and we see now in throat like say dem use knife or any other sharp object for cut im throat. So as a result of that, we further get information say the youth dem na Nimiama chiefdom dem go inside the bush because dem see blood wey spill na the ground, and so dem trace that blood inside the bush. Dem go discover another body, in fact na skeleton. This person here na somebody wey dem say e bin don missing 5 to 6 months ago. Na this Nimiama so na this warfare. In fact dem bin dey allege say e don go with people dem bike, e don lost. Not until today wey youth dem dey inside bush dem dey search or dem dey trace that spilled blood, dem go discover this skeleton, and dem identify am say na that fellow wey bin don missing for 5 to 6 months ago. Na im lay down, na im skeleton down there. How dem identify am na the clothes wey e bin wear, because the clothes wey e bin wear, the shirt and the trousers, dey still clear for identification. So we see all that day, but the youth dem be so angry, or the bike riders dem be so angry, dem be so frustrated over this issue. So we able for calm them down. We talk to them, make them restraint, make them honor or obey the law. As we self as police, we will investigate the matter until we get the bottom of the truth. Meanwhile, where we did it, we also get an information say some angry youths and commercial motorists dem they don't storm na the paramount chief in house, take stones and begin for send am. But even some children stakeholders dem quick one self, we rush, we come and respond back swiftly to that incident. We disperse the crowd and we maintain sanity at the scene. So far na that we don't do, and even some relatives that when they come out from Mashingbi, we talk to them, we encourage them, make the exercise patience. We say they do best for put situation under control. And anybody where a hand inside this, the law go take in course. Even the body of Abdul Ture, we don't take him, we don't go to him. Now they could do government mortuary. They did it for preservation and for postmortem, for ascertain the cause and the manner of the death. Wise, we don't mount speedy investigation into this matter.
So una get reports of this particular somebody una go discover in body una skeleton. Una ever get reports on that?
No, we don't ever get a report of a missing person or absconded individual or a case of murder. We not get that kind of report, especially for that skeleton we also discover in our bush.
So taking a look at this particular issue, how the town look like now?
Well, panic and tension been there. Now they turn all over. In fact, as you dey see, shops then presently closed, and police themselves they all about the town for ensure say we maintain law and order. Presently, Boku people dem be there indoors, but people are coming out gradually. The only thing we just they talk to people them, make them just maintain them positions they outside and day, because we dey monitor the process. It can be say the perpetrators still there within, perhaps they don't go out, but if they there within, if everybody stay within them places, at least instead will help for us monitor the situation of anybody where they come out or where they come inside.
So try for understand say una get for order a curfew at this particular time. How true is this?
Well, this now is just a rumor going around, but actually, the hearing from one or two stakeholders them that they talk say it go fine for that curfew day, go fine for that curfew day, but that has not come to our notice yet, and there is no decision about that. For month curfew, now the discretion of the higher authority system. But if the stakeholders if they bring that, if they intend for that kind, if they get that kind of intention, then go discuss with the hierarchy of the police management or the team within at the ground. They will go give advice or will know unanimously which we will reach at. But as of now, there is no planned curfew. We will not pronounce any curfew at the ground. The only thing, the ground is safe because Mortimer Division Dinaya with backup from Tankoro Division. We also expect another team from Kenema way possibly they on the way for make them come and see how we will for maintain total sanity at the ground.
That's an media person when they talk to the company, Palicious or to go inside interview inside Kono, this people they do one investigation but some the body them wey dem say dem find na Nimiyama chiefdom inside Kono district. Dem say they to don make the youth man dem and then bike man another inside Kono district be no be gladi and they say as we police dem rush to go put the situation to normalcy. Now we dey carry inside Kenema district, outside family members say this be enter money coffee be don run one story, especially last week wey we get for do some youth man dem and the police inside Kailam district wey dem say this be later you see outside dem be burn the part of the police headquarters and other destruction dem wey dem be do. Dem say because dem point finger say dem be kill one party bike riders dem with the police. When we come to Safa Moiba, we go work on the regional police headquarters inside Kenema district and talk to Sub-Inspector Brahma James Musa, one of the regional media officer at the Salon Police, to make it get more updates so far how they don't go with the investigation.
First, I want to confirm and tell you, say, on the 25th, 1st of June 2026, when I be Sunday, an unfortunate situation began to happen at the Kailan town. Also, I will all see where people that have sent stone against the police. Also, I will all see also then set fire on the police, set off a police barracks, police quarter. And also, I will also see where one Kalon began for loss in life. And the story around the incident, they under investigations now. Basically, what lead to the death of the man. That one they under investigation, Abdullah Kalon Amin, and also who are they responsible for the death of this young man, also they under investigation.
What really happened, how they come about this man later he died?
On that fateful day, when on Sunday, the 21st of June 2026, the police began to receive a distress call where they say somebody call and say they don't left for run BNT man, they don't can enter Nami house. And as a responsibility on the police, 2 police officers began for left for go get this suspect and also bring her to the police. On the arrival, they don't meet her at the scene. Somebody began for tell them say this man will not come for Naya another day, but it don't go by the library area. Then inside Kailan town, and the police began for left that particular scene and go towards outside. The people then describe say this man where they say go na that house don't left for go. When the police reach there, they meet a large crowd of people another particular place. And when they meet a large crowd of people, the police begin for take this suspect where they say don't thief and come with them na a particular location. And during the process, the man began for loss in life. And when the man lost in life, people, a set of individuals, I don't want to say bike riders, but set of individuals began for apportion the blame on the police, say police responsible for the death of this young man. We began for lead to a riotous situation where we see now social media, outside they burn the barracks, outside they loot, outside theft stone, and a lot of things that began for happen, even began for lead to a declaration of a coffee order on that day. But thankfully, from then to date, the situation don't calm, it quiet, and everybody in Kailan town and its environment, they carry out the normal business. The investigation they in progress. Who are responsible for the death of Abdullah Kalon and who are they responsible for the burning and the looting and the riotous conduct, all they under police investigations now, and we get suspect in our custody who they ask question for the incident that will happen, including police officers.
How many so far did they under our custody as the investigation they continue?
Clearly speaking, we get 25 suspects now with custody plus 3 police officers. Yeah, because the allegation they revolve around police participating in the mobbing of this young man. That's the allegation. And for clear that point, the police began for institute an investigation into it when they see the ID. And additionally, the independent police complaint board also they on board for looking to this matter and see who are then really responsible for the death of this young man. May he so rest in peace.
How you go clear this area? Most of the why they work from social media talk say the man na they begin married, we get tramadol, At that time, I know a company been go for buying from with lower cost. Where you able go get a high cost. Now lead why they be found. Whose story would I get around that?
That's not the information we will say get, and all that we don't subject to investigation. And as this particular investigation, the progress, I also want for male listeners and know say, of course, we get 3 cards of tramadol as exhibits in our possession, and the ownership of that particular tramadol, whether not the disease or whatever, who will meet them, now in you don't subject to investigations. People that don't make statement, that don't reference that particular exhibit, and would they try for proof further for confirm would that be they actually in possession of it.
Violence missing Kailam. What did they tell family about that one?
Another one good picking. Definitely a lot of things that don't go bad. A lot of people don't let their comfort zones, they don't go in at different places because they know say they play a role in that process. That is one. Number two, the destruction of property is very, very unfortunate because that resources where government or individuals that they use for replace that particular property could be used for other purpose. Number three, we want for appeal to members of the public. That community need peace, it needs sanity, it needs unity, it needs justice. We want for appeal to the general populace in Kailam for let them help we identify the one that were responsible for this act, and also for rely on the investigations of the individuals or institutions who are responsible for looking into these things. One is the police itself. Two, the IPCB, where then they look into this issue. Let them rely on the police and provide us, not only the police, but IPCB, and sufficient, honest, and reliable information so that we'll be able for probe and get at the bottom of this incident.
But in this ICP.
Now, the Independent Police Complaint Board, we comprise individuals who are civilian, then where they look at police excesses, especially who say life loss. Now, that kind of institution that one day, themselves, like I say, they on board to investigate the police officer because the allegation that they revolve around the police involvement into the death of this young man will be actually perpetrates the violence.
With all this way you don't talk, what could be advice to the public?
Basically, 2 things. Major one, we want for appeal to them. All of that will happen will not be daily, and all of that thing will happen. We will get at the bottom if people are willing and genuinely give us information on the investigation there. Number two, people left for take the law in their hand. Whatever the condition, whatever the situation, we have institutions, we have individuals we will for lay complaint to. When we agree, they run to. But if people feel say they for take the law in their hand, they go either over punish, and in most cases they over react or over punish the one where they do bad, or they under punished. We have institutions responsible for apportion or give punishment to individuals where they go against the law. I mean, as citizens, we lack with country. As citizens, we lack with self. We for always allow the institutions or individuals who are responsible for investigate cases and come out with the appropriate punishment or sanction on individuals who they commit our offenses. Mob justice is not a pay a price, and it can always lead us where would they do to say we will not expect to sell for the
Sub-Inspector Brahma Musa, the regional media officer for the regional police headquarters at Kenema, will talk to me company Safamoriba, so they give updates about the alalo that happened between youth mandem inside Kalam district and the policeman them when we point fingers say they kill one by the bike peddler them inside Kalam district. When we continue with the program, as we don't hear you don't talk about the headline, but say government announced the reduction of fuel prices there now. We'll talk more on that so many can tell the various prices and how they reach into these agreements, although we don't see the Labour Congress only say that amount say it looks small. One for welcoming Director of Operations and Pricing na NPRA, we na Samoa and Sumana Tuntu we na studio with me. Good morning and welcome to the program.
Thank you very much. Good morning, family.
Yes, now we don't see the release, we don't come up from government in Angola. So take me through the new prices and how I reach to that price day.
Thank you very much. Family will remember say as of February 28th, America and Iran in their conflict. So this conflict involved Israel and Lebanon. And when that happened, the petrol price for petroleum refined products begin for go because of instability. we all know, they live in a global village. We mean say anywhere they happen around the world, they affect everybody. And Sierra Leone not in isolation. So when prices begin to go up, people will see rapid and people will see increases in pump prices. But we as an institution and government as a whole, we assure people and say, as it is, this time not so normal times, despite the increases on 2nd of April, government they announced subsidy for petroleum products. Wetin that dey mean? That dey mean say instead of the price go more past how e bin dey, wey na 35 for petrol, 40 range for diesel, government bin dey subsidize. So this subsidy don continue even as I dey talk so now. Then wetin happen recently, as of last Sunday, America and Iran bin get an MOU wey America sign virtually. So America bin for meet with Iran. So with that perception, prices begin for drop. And up to now, as I dey talk so, as of yesterday, as of Sunday, Iran blocked the Strait of Hormuz again. When we say prices begin for go up. But because we been promised the people of Sierra Leone say these are not normal times, once prices begin for fall, we'll reduce price accordingly. So now that be happened yesterday. After the meeting, the Ministry of Information and Civic Education, they announced the following price. Petrol come up from 35 leons to 33 leons. Diesel come up from 40 leons to 35 leons. Kerosene, mostly people know they talk about that. We mostly na aviation fuel, how they downgrade. They come up from 32 leons 26 cents to 30 leons 65 cents. Fuel oil, we use for thermal plants and for generate electricity, come up from 29 leons 73 cents to 28 leons 55 cents. This na the new prices the government they announced yesterday.
All right, Mr. Atunti, concern from salon people in that when the price of fuel they go up, they could not begin to line, then automatically go up. But it don't be like over 2 weeks now. Then and now this review they take place for salon people then. So it's like the interest of the salon people when it comes to the review of price, they can make delay when it comes for change the price then, but let the price come down.
No, what happened is around 16th of June, government reviewed the prices. But what happened because the price not change, people not still not able to forget that communication. Government reviewed the prices then further, and at that time, government also give the operators and say within the next 2 weeks to review again. People remember say even on Sunday, the president of Gambia, His Excellency President Barrow, announced say na July 1st, now they announce new price reduction. Okay, we na Sierra Leone, we don't happen on the 30th of, on the 29th of June. But waiting most people afraid for realize is all of this price will be the same from April 2nd to yesterday, all na subsidized price. We mean say government they pay some amount for let the price not go up. So one thing where the president don't always assure we is whenever there is positive in plat, let's translate that to the pump immediately without wasting any time. One for assure Sierra Leoneans then say we'll continue for look at the numbers, and once there is gain and positive numbers, we'll transfer to the pump as we go.
All right, salon people and they say before the Strait of Hormuz them in local, the price be there like 28, 5 going to 29 thereabout. So if it been calm down, but you they talk and I say don't they go back, but at least when they expect more for come because we see from civil society, them like for example native consortium say at least like 30 million. Labour Congress they said they're not even happy with this one, this 2 will come out. So why not just 2 million happen?
Okay, people remember say in February and March, the price been there around 600 February. When it come for March, the price go from 600 per metric ton. I know they talk barrel. The reason why I need talk barrel because we know they consume crude na Sierra Leone. If you go na the pump, then they sell you crude. Now refined products and they sell you. So I dey talk about the refined product cost. The cost per metric ton by January, February was $636 per metric ton. As of March, April, it go to $1,500 per metric ton. Let's do some mathematics. That kind increase there is above 100%. As I'm talking to you yesterday, the Platts for refined product they gave around $1,000 per metric ton. Okay, metric ton and barrel are not the same. One barrel, if you want to take barrel into metric ton, you need 7.63 or 33 barrel for get 1 ton. So if you do maths, they talk say, oh, the price per barrel, convert that to metric ton and see how much it will be.
All right, so in the case of Salone, because we do peer review now with the sub-region there, like Guinea, where the girl would say the one price of fuel not change, it always maintain, and in fact, so now convert am to Salone money na 24 leons, and we dey 33 leons. So wetin are the difference? Wetin are the reason why make we no go able for buy am like how Guinea dey buy?
Well,
Or sell like how Guinea dey sell?
okay, we at least maybe the past 7 years, I think we don't dey talk that as NPRA, but most of the time we dey talk and people dey talk say na because they no wan reduce the price further na make dem dey tell me so. It's very peculiar. Sierra Leone na one of the only country around the sub-region wey government dey hand no dey pan the entire petroleum value chain. Government no dey import, government no dey store, government no dey transport, government not to dealer. In all of these countries, example Guinea, government they do everything. A government they import, a government they store. All the operators then they do now for collect from government and go sell. And a government they give them the margin. So example now, if I buy me water 5 leons, I call you, I say, Davida, this water, me they sell and give you 5 leons. Go sell am 5 leons 20 cents. You no get no cost wey involved, you no get no exposure. All wetin you do, I for go sell 5 leons 20 cents, collect you 20 cents wey na the profit. Then later go back to this person, say I don come, I want so quantity. Basically, na dey happen na Guinea. Na government dey do everything. Government dey import, government dey store. The operators only distribute and transport.
And we no go able to do that now na Salone.
As it is now, in 2022, government still approve for form the National Petroleum Company. This petroleum company they can trade with the operators. Like in Ghana, they get goil. Now then they call them Go Energy. Goil now like the National Petroleum na Ghana Oil Company. Goil they import, then they trade, then they store, then they transport. And also goil they sell retail. So what happen? Even prices of petroleum products, when you want to know the price, just go to goil station. They sell reduced price than all the other stations. So what happens is government get control of the market. So government they import, you the operator they import. So if you say you import 5, government say no, me I import 3 leons. I'll sell me on 3 leons. You say okay, but let me sell no loss, I'll sell 3 leons 50 cents. So if you go to Ghana, they get price differential across every part of Ghana. You go na goil station, you buy 2 cedis. You go na Total, you buy 3 cedis 50 pesos or so. So the prices are different. So government they set up that company they can trade with the OMCs and they disrupt business. We can't trade like how the OMCs they trade. They import, they store, they distribute, they transport. So that government will get much control of the product itself.
There are times where some oil marketers then can want to reduce the pump price by 1 leon, 2 leon, but then they face intimidation, victimization, and they say, oh, we they sell 33, for example, why you want to sell 31? Why you want to sell 32? You know, although not competition, a business competition when they do, but others then they see that as threat, and then they cause also confusion because people they really want to go buy that's why when that 31 or 32 if they see the people they get the free will for do that.
Well, the good thing is the 2025 NPRA Act don't give the authority for set a ceiling. Wey mean say the price wey we dey announce na the highest price you can sell, but you cannot go above, but you can go below. Example say okay, me I dey get 2 leons per dis, but last sell I get 1 leon, let e go quick quick. Dem get one wey how dem dey call fast penny or so, better pass slow gently, something like that. So the NPRA Act give every operator the right for doing business how e wan do am, except e no go above the official price ceiling. So I think we don dey see am within the last is it I for say 1 year or so, or the last 9 or 12 months, wey some people dey sell different prices across free town. So it's basically not that they not to we the NPRA get issue with am, and then the dealers and the operators will say, oh, okay, I dey get 2 leon, but let me do like a 1 leon quickly.
All right, before I left you, but true, within on ourselves in terms of sincerity, this price review on Abduna in the interest of the ordinary salon people.
Yes, it's 100% on the interest of Sierra Leone people. That's not the reason why I tell you, say government still dey subsidize. Okay, like I say, the price come out from 600 to 1,500. Now it is 1,000, and it dey roam around 1,990, 980 per metric ton. So you can imagine from 6 to 9 and 1,000.
But
So that difference there is still huge. So you cannot get that same price wey you bin get in January or February.
But Asumana Boku Scalumen and Oguladi, including even the civil society organization, in fact, one they called for Syria for do a protest where everybody for wear black because the reduction of convincing.
So wetin I wan say to that is this na a civil society wey work na for advocate. We very much okay with that. Okay, one thing wey we want for be assured, we wan assure Sierra Leoneans, we are looking at the correct numbers. We are looking at the correct numbers. We no wan brag. Okay, NPRA na the only authority or institution at Sierra Leone wey get access to refined petroleum data. We dey get am on a daily basis. Na my phone, anywhere around the world I dey, I can see and know wetin dey happen, how we dey trade for the day. When trading starts na morning, I see how trading dey go in the afternoon, say trading dey close for the day. I will tell you the price every day. Okay, the civil society, let's get a conversation on the numbers. Okay, if you say one metric ton or 1 barrel, how many metric ton make 1 barrel? Let's take an example. I no dey discredit am, I just dey talk. Okay, in example, e say 1 barrel is now $72 or 80 something dollar. I no even remember the amount. Multiply am by 7.3 or 7.6, we go give you 1 ton. Almost that dey go cost. In all the conversation, let's be sincere to the people of Sierra Leone. Let's tell them the right thing. That they will say, not talk for we. We in our NPRA, we need the active society for talk for we. Just say what is right. That's all.
We will come back to you and Sumana 20, Samoa Sumana 20, the Director of Operations and the Price in the National Petroleum Regulatory Authority. Well, we go also now, we get other guests in the studio. We get Mona to say a farmer and also Brian Samo, the Executive Chairman for the National Commission for Democracy. But I will take this one, Usai, the annual presidential town hall meeting. They start or they take place today in Makeni. Preparations don't they go on, and then questions then don't they arrange questions them as then they come the Ministry of Information and Civic Education, they put together the questions there for the president. The hype there around the events na Makeni as we talk. But then one for no from the National Commission for Democracy. What did this mean for democratization in the country? And also inside the program farm we will continue for hearing from ordinary salon people then where they say go talk their own concerning this all important events here. So but we hear from Madam Sam. Good morning.
Good morning, and good morning, listeners. I think say this town hall meetings where the Ministry of Information and Civic Education dey do na the best thing wey don ever happen in this country. Because democracy is about the people, it's for the people. And so people's inclusivity into the democratization of this country is key. But let we succeed, we can't forget a medium. We say we dey hear from the people. Yes, we say people they institutions they where they can meet people, but giving people the opportunity for stand out there and view out somebody where they fall about, somebody where they pull Makeria that not able to come free or any village around there. But when they say town hall meeting, if you get the opportunity for here directly from the one that where they are the executive in particular, where they take, now then they take authority of what they happen at the country, how the democracy they go. So this civic engagement give the people the opportunity for let them be part of the process. Like the popular statement where they say democracy now for the people, of the people, by the people. So if the people are always left as outside the democratization, I think say we not be done get it to that point yet. I believe say now with democracy don't they sit on good because the one that the executive not afraid for face the people because now that look at that they create a situation wherein the executive can come for talk to the people directly one to one, not through any other media. It face the people that they get this town hall meeting wherein we get various sections of responsibilities, ministers, the one that are in charge of executing government programs, for that they can tell the people what they are doing, what have been done, what have been achieved, and what is more to do. So I believe say this is a very good engagement where civic education itself is about the people, about the people's participation into the democratization process.
All right, we'll go holiday for now. Let we also hear now from salon people then waiting themselves make up of this whole event, and then we go kind of for maybe talk one or two things concerning the conversation where the people then don't get with the reporters then across the country. Well, we go inside Cambia, hello hearing from people in Cambia. We talk to Ibrahim Story Kamara.
Most of our hotel the ministry tell you, but they do them kind series of civic day and the different districts there across the country. It's fine because if they bring the people there, they bring the government down to the people there. That's not fine initiative when they start. And we hope and pray say will continue. But the only thing no more, let that be equal. Let that be equal a way for give the mic to people there. Because if you say they do civic now any districts, now the people then get the problem. And then they facing the problem and then they feel like he who knows it feels it or he who feels it knows it. And when you see the cow the government near to the people there, now for let you can hear it from the people there waiting the money there. So I believe say government in the capacity by extension the Minister of Information for make sure say here and staff them for make mic go round even to the vulnerable there because now we they feel the problem. Now we they get for interview. Because if you not interview we will not be able to get the real source of information where they need. So if they bring the people the government to the people there, let them hear the voice of the people there, let them give the people in the mic, let the people there say whatsoever they want to say.
Well, then can allow people them for talk, but not for lots time, because when you want to say the view, they will come and take up the mic in hand because of some issues they already have. Because and when the citizens continue for express their feelings, then government will see and electrify issue. But not forget somebody mic at a minute to come up from that person there. Then they give the mic to anybody, but they know they allow for the express distractions or anything so far. And it isn't best known to them because when you not allow for let the right person say the right thing, and the citizens there. When they conduct a civic meeting there, and for let them continue for the view, the overview, we not allow the person to continue for talks. So you think of
You know, a citizen outside Gambia. To me, it is in place because now one approach for accountability and also create a platform for the people and government interact and bring in issues at the table and know what is going on and also try for revert into the public as to what they will address and everything they yet if we address. As mandate, it's supposed to be that way because bringing
bringing civicness. It's about bringing a closer platform outside government to be able to tell people what they don't do, and within those issues people need for check balance government and ask a series of questions. But outside we see a situation where probably somebody can come up with a question where yet a yardstick as to waiting they need if or no. But unfortunately, you see probably that person is not given a mic or on another way, waiting a need for acts in clarification is not much more applaud. But that's how it's supposed to be. Even somebody coming to ask a question to me, it should fall within the nomenclature as what has been discussed. But for let we see situations like me, I'm not one for ask question, I'm not giving it a mic, and I know they call them civic, because civicness is about informing people.
All right, well, that's now within some people then think na Cambia district. Let me go inside Kono, we are from people in Kono.
But at the same time, I use my lens for talk now as a citizen, a senior citizen of this country. They live in Kono.
If you get the opportunity for talk to the president, what in go be like your question to him?
Primarily, I will look at the mandate first of all we get. See, in everything we do, we are talking about that leadership servant, that Namibian contract, they work for me, and the obligation for deliver through the manifesto we win for that kind of power. That's what I'll be looking at in terms of delivering, creating impact in the lives of the ordinary man. You know, as compared to waiting, how best intercept, don't assess the current situation, taking into consideration the support we forgive to the ordinary man. We do agree, say government out and get challenges, and it's bound for happen. But how desperate it don't make efforts for able for ensure say the ordinary man forget benefits from the institutions, the effectiveness of the institutions they didn't create.
Another question. So what do you mean for the president for all an open town dialogue with citizens them and reports to them on the work where in governments don't they do?
Is a step in the right direction as per design, and that we call accountability. Giving feedback about in leadership or activities already do to the citizens, which is in place. It's a civic responsibility or civic obligation. So by so doing, it clear out all the difficulties the way they get in things the way not they succeed and the one the way they succeed. Which for me I think they've stepped in the right direction. That notwithstanding, how able for acknowledge the challenges them we probably the feedback we they get from the citizens them, are they able for address the challenges them there? That will be the way forward, and that will create the needful impact. One of the things about social living, you get for ensure say all of the needful things they wait for need necessity there. Light, water, you think about your daily subsistence. Yes, you know we're saying our government for Kanji, but the enabling environment.
If you get the chance or the opportunity for talk with the president, whose question you go on for you post to him?
Okay, thank you very much. The first question we go on for ask the president. I go on make say we don't left word now. For say you don't commission that commando road that or do for go Guinea border highway and that. They say you don't commission and for let them make us so that when they get free access for going to Guinea and come back. We've all been glad you over that. But it don't take a long time now. When people even be talk say they don't see machine and they go up there. When those are and the non-pass day for go start the work. Okay, the question I ask the president now. Now you don't left 2 years, barely 2 years now for like time of office done. What you don't plan now for that road? Because the road now is more important for lead to Guinea. What you will be in position now. At that university, the entire Kono district will all be not glad over that university. We see the non-put the administrative building. But from that point, no more work not go on now. What you will be in way forward to that in terms of the candle now.
So what it mean for the president let hold an open town hall outside people that will get the opportunity when a citizen them for ask them on report of a work and how it do am.
Well, that one a very good thing because we know say if that apple it don't make connection between we and the president because through that we will tell the president what thing they will act, what thing will feel for let you do and for we. Now through that we will explain so that the president will be able to get to message well. It's very good because the grassroots people that go understand exactly what thing they happen and what thing government want for do because na connection.
Well, that's not people inside Kono district. We don't talk waiting themselves. They want for getting from the president today. Na McKinney we get for engage the people in Asalo. Although na McKinney they get for get the town the presidential hall meeting, but they give audience to everybody in Asalo for ask question. Even if a future, so from then now we go inside Kalam district. One for talk to reporter we said we dey inside Kalam town. They talk to people them so the kind of question we the one made the president will answer to the inside McKinney. For that one for joining Momo Sisi.
Yeah, me now Momo Aliu, teacher from Kailan. The engagement about the town hall meeting is very good. Because ever since the history, this is the first time. But as for me as a teacher, if I'm fortunate for the area, I will tell the president they look into the welfare of the teachers, especially the salary scale. We're not encouraging because the living standard of the country today up compared to the current scale salary where teachers need to realize we're not even enough for feeding and their family.
In the first place, na minimal Momo, BRU, Kalan District. Me na Okada, me na transport at the run. The town hall meeting with the president car. Me, if I'm fortunate for me to have that kind of program today, I will talk with the president. Number one, license may minimize for we in this country. And number two, the biking prices may go down small for we. It's too high for we. And we say we dey, we na interior area we dey na bush we dey. We get the kind of money they for buy the thing and the license and direct. It's so hard. Do you have that no more? But we don't see with the president, we don't talk with him. Man, sorry for we, let the price go down. That's not my problem.
Thank you. Oh, he blame my way. He correspond. Hey. Yeah, he might correspond. The gamer guy. He correspond. Oh, you know, social person from Kailan district. Okay. Yeah, Nyagi Epema. Yeah, the town hall meeting with president the whole is fine for allow Sierra Leoneans for asking question. Okay. But if you be fortunate for me to the president as a farmer, you go tell and say blah blah blah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Nyagi Epema.
Yeah. Mina Salim Domawa from Gobugao, Loawa Chiefdom, Kailan district. Well, to me, the way the president they hold the town meeting, I like him because no ever president no dry it. Really, we're really glad you over that because for the president the pass around, Merima they say Danugata Yepe. I don't want to see that past this president be away they done. However, if me be fortunate for really meet up as a farmer, especially we Kailan district, that we agricultural business, the price now for go up so that the farmer will benefit, especially the cocoa. Because this year, last year the cocoa it really failed with. This year again, it don't come. In fact, we village self Lord, nobody know for cool cocoa. The whole of Gao section because cocoa don't reparate. So I hope say if I be foresee the president, not that way I be for don't tell and that cocoa price. In fact, okay, let we say other commodities, palm wine, coffee, cola. Then we items they will get in Kailan district. But that I be really want if I be foresee and for don't tell.
Me na my name is Siabokari at the Kailan district. The town hall meeting with the president call. If I be fortunate for the part of the meeting, I be for don't tell the president say the students loan where it give, let it continue for give and give scholarship some of the to people them like some of who they go now university, the colleges they want for land but we not get the support. So we're ready for work with the president if only he give you the tools.
Well, that's Siabokari. We among the other people inside Kailan we don't hear about we don't talk some of the things they're going to go want where the president will respond to according to SIA inside in go want where the president look inside the loan scheme and still when I think about grants in it. I said the loan scheme are for postgraduate. But I'm going to look for undergraduate. Well, for now, for one for know how McKinney look like this morning. And you say from yesterday to this morning, people are still go McKinney and for go witness the presidential town hall and meetings that President Biego engage and the people in McKinney and around Salon for many go ask questions there about in governance and in stewardship plus in legacy. Well, for know more about the preparation, one for join me country when I ask for we don't agree update since yesterday. The information we don't reach the people in McKinney. Good morning and welcome to the program for So just start for tell me this morning how McKinney look like.
Well, it is we are quiet when this sun no commot, clouds look that small. So we hope that rain no will stop this morning. But today, the meeting because overall the town hall meeting for the president in high estimation. Everybody now there's high hope. In fact, people even negotiate for making it part of the because definitely not to the entire McKinney body. The other thing is that not only McKinney, but not only Momali district, but other districts themselves that this region, they started to interact with people that will come out from Konadugu, Falaba, some colleagues will also have become part of the town hall meeting because they still seen an opportunity for them to get in-depth information, let them be enlightened about government activities, both the soft and hard way government don't do. And of course, the thing that we government don't do is why and which way they work towards doing that. Of course, they still are asking an opportunity. Consider the number one man in the country and interact with them, able to ask some questions, also raise concerns, then of things the way they don't get clarity on. So the anticipation is all over the place. In fact, every hangout from last week, every hangout that discussion the people they on for me to the president. For Mali, a lot of people in the talk say, well, they don't see plenty physical development there. Then they consider themselves say the government no consider them. So they will ask their questioning. Most of the questions they ask surrounding road construction, electricity, water supply, a whole lot. Price control, a lot. Where they say they will really want to ask the president, make he explain to them. So the anticipation they can say the chance day, all man want for the part of the meeting and all man will want for talk something. The preparations of course the hall they not set them up. Yesterday I believe they even do yesterday in the and then they do tests for seeing matching up about technically when once the meeting starts. Of course we see some government ministers and they do some information there around. So parastatals they're also there around. So McKinney be in high spirit for receive the president and make sure say the McKinney edition of the president the town hall meeting for more successful one.
And
of course, civil society, then they say if this one come out fine, then it's still a very big plus to democracy and an achievement for the president because the first initiative is where the first man that the country become directly to the people there, grassroots people there, and interact with them. So it's a big one for democracy. That's what they describe that.
Okay, for Boku people, they take and say we come from politics business and we talk about McKinney, Bombali, and the stronghold of the opposition. And now the president they go engage them. I know say don't they get conversations with different people. What then how important this could be to the people of McKinney?
Well, if you think what time it is, some will feel disconnect from what they say from government and feel disconnected and they feel say they are being neglected. So one importance to this get now for also can assure them, government is for everybody. And of course the government open up election. I talked to PRO yesterday. Say it's a very good initiative. In fact, some other people they say this particular initiative not for only left to the president. They want to see a situation side chairman of council, mayors, and other people that will really deal with public. For the do and once in a while, reach out to the people and directly sit down with them. And therefore make them get understanding what the kind of what they do. Also give people a chance or also ask questions against concern. See, like very good initiative when they initiate they even help for bridge peace and clear doubts. Because once people know the talk, you always clear that doubt into people there. So they see as an opportunity for clarity, an opportunity for clear doubts. You know, so another kind comment
briefly before I left you, because yesterday the conversation we get from other people, they will mention about the fuel price and other thing, and we see the reduction don't take place yesterday. So just give me how it look like. How people receive the reduction of the prices.
Well, the way people react to that, to me, uniform. Some they say the better and not use because they say it don't make much, it don't make any difference, you know. Then they say the reduction of the change nothing in the market. Because everything go, everything will go. You know, so the concern always people they say political can on for the price of commodities can down. Or that two also they put on top. Then they say, you know, create any changes and they say they encourage government or do more. Let the CL can down because so then the price is then like very serious body to them. And they affect families and of course they affect communities. You know, one other thing the way people they tell me yesterday in a trip, say as government they said of course they don't give reduce now they expect say as you can go they will reduce some more. So government will really put measures in place that when any temperature go down, let some of things go down. Then we don't give a culture that Salon say when people eat fried. And the situation change now, they know they put and go. It can almost stay the same way they supposed to be. So then they worry. They say something can now be changing over. They say therefore really put patches in place. When sure say one scale go down, they expect all the other people from transportation and then key thing that people they use are the hostel for go down. But most times, so they always stick at that price, it may go down. So they expect government to do more in that direction as well.
Okay, thank you very much. Then I will campaign as some foreign. We don't agree update so far. We don't prepare for the presidential town hall engagement. We President Bere for address the people in Amakeni, Bombali districts, in particular, the country in general. And yes, David Adoyeri, and the issues in the top of road, energy, wash. It's even say the fuel where they say
transportation.
They say not feel the effects of the reduction because things are still the off at the factory.
All right, now the beauty of democracy, people get the opportunity and the right for talk, and also when they're away, they in charge of them for address the situation and say for able for respond to them. Like how when PR really try to explain how they're able for reach that side, although people are still salon people not convinced with that explanation.
Yeah, we say the people will respond to that reporter. We talk for say they at least this time for put say when the fuel go down. Make sure for the transport and the yam then. So we'll see how they get for ensure so they work with the ministry for me after.
All right. Welcome to Madam Megan Sam again with the executive chairman or chairperson of the National Commission for Democracy. You don't listen to people across the country. Decided what we touch for now. What in the make of this presidential town hall meeting? Yes, so.
From people their expression, I believe say they are all happy that this kind of thing they happen for the first time in the history of this big country. Because many a time people that can get issues, but the one that when they represent them, not they able to undo that issue they properly. And they can feel say whether they go, whether they complain to them, they know they complain or they reach society for reach. Now that they don't get this opportunity, for let them talk directly. I think say they're really happy about it. I hear somebody they talk about enough, they're not give enough time because the crowd is plenty. I remember in Akenema, or I witnessed one of the presidential town hall meetings where I've been there. Almost everybody want for talk, but they're not going to give everybody opportunity for talk, unfortunately, because the time, if they say that they allow everybody for talk, all the way they talk, when I go there the whole day, and sometimes that program they get timing. I feel say the most unfortunate side that day, but I believe say if that thing that didn't come on frequently, like how it all happens, so if you're not able to get opportunity for talk this time, the next time you're going to get opportunity. Now that no more I go out for appeal for the people that say that they get patience, that they give people the opportunity for talk. Now that place they, but most times they can give timing when they talk. If they give you timing, they say 1 minute or 2 minutes, then you want to talk for 5 or 10 minutes, definitely they're going to stop you at some point. So I want for that, the appeal for that understanding there. But I believe say from the reactions response what they get from around the country, people are happy that they are now they now get opportunity for let them voice out within that they feel exactly about how governance they go around the country. When a very good thing for democracy.
And to me, I want to ensure say some of their issues they have to weigh, people that get for talk and the president get for respond. Not say so they should president for big commitment to some other thing, then president go for some of the legacies and things we don't do. Especially in the area of commitment we get for give to people. I want to ensure because not democratic institution for ensure say with the president and talk, make democracy go flow. The president they act on all the various ministry department agencies. Ask to what the president get for talk about the act on them.
We get some people they call policy briefs. Sometimes so we set can go around, okay, the whole meetings and things that when they come out of the meeting and we can sort of put on a policy briefing report or we send a state house or believe say through that the president will able to know say people are concerned about this area and action therefore be taken about XYZ. Sometimes we can interact with the constituents there, the people that were there on the ground, because many a time I can believe say some politicians not can come out for say the people that exactly what's they happen, the truth about what's they happen. But like we roll now for filling the gap then. If people they don't really understand what's in the happen, we can come in and close the gap and tell them, and when they tell the message, go back to the appropriate authorities for take actions on within the people, their opinion about certain things that will they happen. And we as well try for create a bridge between the executive, the legislative, and the people by getting like their representatives when they come, when they take them, go to them. We can organize meetings that also will give opportunity to parliamentarians as well for face the constituency, talk to the people because there are a lot of misconceptions going around about democracy. Now things they don't change. First time we begin the parliamentarian when I get responsible for development in constituency, they don't receive the development fund again. Where the people they don't understand that. So they feel say this parliamentarian, no, once we don't vote for it, don't go parliament. It's supposed to do all what we need for development of this country. So we can as well come in with them gaps a day for tell the people they say, no, the things they don't shift. Now not all the parliamentarians that they do the development work. Now the councils, because they don't devolve their function into the councils, that development fund, not they go again to parliamentarians. So there is a lot of confusion around this when you go around the way they engage people that are in various constituencies. So we can give some parliamentarians opportunity. What we don't go for, let they explain on their behalf to the people there how this thing they go. Because when they can't talk, the people that can see it out, you know what do now making they can't tell
So tell them the campaign name and give assurance.
Well, that's the always happen. We always tell the politicians that say if you don't tell the people exactly how the representation they go, it always make they get a misconception. One politician tell me say, he say, "But I wanted to vote for me." So when you think say wetin, I they tell the people wetin they want hear. Like that they always say. And they say they wetin they want hear, and at this wetin they want hear, now make now you dey ask the people the government, the Ministry of Information don see say let the people they voice out directly. Then maybe they answer the questions they ask, they go able to understand. Say this way this politician will tell you not to say it is that they wrong.
Afraid now later now for both of them constituency there. Okay, so now we continue further with Megan Samuel, Executive Chairperson for the National Commission for Democracy. Now we can talk to a woman farmer. I'm going to say in the state, the National Federation of Farmers for the Western area. The 50-50 women's group been don't they train woman farmer them for making they get some skills them additional skills to what they get for push agricultural business go before we know say the feed salon project program the way of the president now one of the flagship where is want for making we able to get enough for it and if possible for the export out of the country same way too. So the woman they also don't come together. They say they you work now for do farming, and we want to know waiting them don't they land or how they know they pass inside the agriculture business. And for that we get Memona to say we na a farmer. Good morning.
Good morning.
A pleasure for getting a morning coffee.
Thank you.
And in fact, according to what I get from the pre-conversation, he always they listen to morning coffee.
Exactly. I'm surprised this morning why does inside call me name?
He asked for Polio. So that means like you get your radio that you farm or that morning they listen to morning coffee. Oh, okay. So nice for meet with you.
Thank you.
All right. So tell me about life as an agriculture as a farmer. You know what it mean? How you come into farming?
Well, I'm born in a family. Me and I'm going to say, me na the secretary for the National Federation of Farmers in the Western area. Well, me, I come into farming and last say I meet farming at my home. My mama be a farmer. I dey come out school, I go meet her in garden, na there I go book my uniform, I help her with her work, then we go na house. So upon that they say I done school, I no get work. So as he say, that farming day, what I been doing with my mama, I see wetin my mama dey get. Because that time day where I don't reach secondary school now, my papa be done retire. My mama, na him I be the somebody wey dey take care of the home. So I see wetin e dey get. So I say now, let me self take up this responsibility because by that time self now, he don pass away. So now me take up that mantle dey for do agriculture. So now that way they me go inside agriculture. I meet an house, so I inherit her.
So what's your what you dey plant?
So I dey do vegetable different. I dey plant spring onions, cassava leaf, potato leaf, green. Then the season we can plant rest. Though the flood in the Ambogui right now, so the plants where they make now they find it difficult for low we able plant rest. Because where the flood, the way the water can carry with the gravel, you can't cover the potopoto, so we cover we need able forget again that kind fertile ground again for low we able plant the rest for they go do well. So now for now more na vegetable they will depend. Though they do small rest, but na vegetable more will depend right now what they do.
Okay, what are the benefits of farming where possible into agriculture?
Agriculture, first of all, na the first profession that in the world where God make. And agriculture na the thing that way they do. If you put your mind in, you need a lack. That small thing where you dey use, money where you dey use, you no go lack. Because wetin do go on, e no dey disappoint you. As long as you put your mind for wetin you dey do, when you plant, you put your mind dey come out fine. If you plant one, you go harvest that one seed corn, put one na ground. The one grain stick, it depends on the variety of corn wey you dey put. Some corn dey put I go to 3 pikin. 3. So imagine if you plant na big side, wetin you dey get. So agriculture na thing na the way a profitable if you get the support, because agriculture you look at anyhow, e need finance for let you go able for do am big. Like for let you say I wan do agriculture, let reach to that mechanized farming. You need for let you get support for let you go able for do am to that extent.
So wetin are some of the challenges them wey una dey face? Because it does they talk about maybe support for get enough, I don't know, equipment or the tools the way use na farm. But wetin else you go want for say na thing the way they above una as woman farmer then?
Well, we as woman farmer then, first of all, for agriculture na Sierra Leone, I can talk at any side, 70% of agriculture na salon, na we the woman dey do am. And we get that slogan in agriculture. We say, woman power, man support. Yes. Woman power, man support. Because agriculture na salonia. We the woman then now they do 70% of agriculture. From the western area to the provinces, check around. Like western area na go na all the side where they do agriculture. Go no more it in a place, it comes almost to man they go see it. Now we they do the agriculture. Now we they give salon people the well body. Even waiting the presidents they eat and all other people in they eat. Now we they give that well body day. Especially like for western area. We don't vegetable the way they get. Now from the farm to the market. And not like down the way they do upline, it go take 2 days na road before you reach Naya. Before you reach here, you don't lost the taste. Like corn, for example. You broke, I sleep one great day. You dey eat no more now for let them food, but that nutrients, that yam where you forget panam, you need to get again. Because you don't sleep, you don't lost that taste day. We in our western area, we dey go broke and this morning. If na boil one boiler for sell, boil am. I said like you taste that, it dey give all what you want. So we are very important people in our western area and na the provinces. Like before time, where lockdown kinde. Now we dey feed free. So they say them block Masheka road. All wetin we dey eat inside western area na we dey plant, na we dey produce am. So we dey appeal to our government. We dey do that work there, but to get challenges then. Like the supplies, governments they supply with, because if we say they need a give we like na lie we dey lie. They give it but it's small, it no go do. Then they need to give it on time. And agriculture business na time bound. Any crop you dey plant, it get time. If the time pass you plant am, you need to do well again. You go plant am, but you no go yield the way if you plant am the appropriate time where you go get that big harvest day. So if you get for plant rest inside something July or August, they go supply inside September. So you go see say sometimes na eat you dey eat am. So na dem go say dem farmer dey wey dem supply dem na eat it. Because if you go give me the 10 way I no get use of again, na eat I go eat am. But if you give me the 10 way I know say this, if I plant am, I go get more, even if I eat small, but I go get back. So they appeal to them. Let them go dey give we wetin dem dey give we, let dem give we an early and let them add.
We see this being 50-50 be una together. When they support us now. Now for wetin?
Well, 50-50, dem kind side for let them support you with training. Because they see say we woman there, now we hold the bread basket like this country. Yes. So they call we, they go train we about climate change. Because the way we dey work, all that they affect you. Climate change. Like for this year, like we vegetable they all they spoil because the heat. This year the heat is so much that when that first rain come, the heat will come under the ground. It spoil all the vegetable there. Then we come to the way do pepper. If they find out say this year we not get harmattan, and also for applying but for free soya, we not get harmattan. And the one the way do pepper, that harmattan, no you dey plant where they begin flower, they begin for flower. that matter na dey make am e dey fresh, e dey comot fine. But when that matter no dey, that heat be dey make the flower dey all dey drop. So we get big losses this year. So dem call me for let dem go train we on this climate change, because e don already the climate change e don already dey with we now. So but dem go train we on how we go take precaution, how we go manage for with the climate change, how we go manage for let we go able for do with farming. Like dem dey tell we about the kind crops wey we go dey plant. Like if we plant am some side wey we see say dey flooding don come, gravel don take dey, we get thing dem wey we go plant like cassava stick. Any kind weather e dey bear, e no dey die. Cassava stick like you plant am as stone, e no dey die. So that kind thing, the thing wey you go plant, so you know say let heat come, e no go die. Let we dey pay at ten tion for planting. Again, let we dey engage with community elders dem, like we chief dem, like we councillor dem, because this flooding wey can happen sometimes na we sef na we dey cause am. We sef we the mastermind na we dey cause am. One like the one wey can dey up the hill dem so for cut the thick dem. Then drainage wey dey. That day go wait till rain don dark, you go pull him mattress, you go put am inside the gutter. You go pull him mattress, you go put am inside the gutter. Put all things. So as the rain the water dey come now, when dem thing dey come meet small hindrance na dey block, then the water dey shoot up now, e begin spread, dey go now all outside enough for go well for we cover for we plantation. So dem train we for let we dey engage with stakeholders dem, the chief dem, the councillor dem, for let dem go dey talk to the community people dem, for say dem kind thing wey dem dey do e no fine. This e dey among the country. So for let we dey engage with community people dem, let we dey talk to them so that dem go let for dey do dem till dem dey for let the flooding business go be minimized. So dem go train me for all dem till dem.
Una na urban farmers, the western urban farmers. That means say una dey na mostly na this Freetown or immediately outskirts of Freetown, but not to the rural areas. So when they talk about land, follow una dey do una agricultural work, how it like?
That dey na big challenge, because first of all when you talk about agriculture, the first thing wey dey come na your mind na the land. If you say I dey can do agriculture, na the land first you dey get there, you say I dey can do agriculture. Now like for western area, most of the company dem now, some of them pass dem go beyond Waterloo, dem Koya area, na dem dey go for different place. Because dem place dem wey dem dey plant, like dem Leicester, Gloucester, then other side dem dey Botoku dem. People dem don grab dem place dem dey all. Like we na woman dem side dey wey be dey plant, like Botoku yanda, wey be dey plant. You go just see the car with dogs dem for car, this place we dey car. We na woman dem vulnerable, na run we dey run comot there. We left there. So tell una go make report, una go waka say una tired, dey build dem man. So that dey na big challenge for we. So boku place dem na the urban area, so we don lost am, because we no get people dey don grab dem place dem, dey don build host dem. So some of the company dem pass dem go beyond, like the other company na crossing inside Songoloko. Yes, we be get one with director wey don go so now Sokolili. That's where he be there. Now if you go find that place there for we na Songoloko, they go make am by plot, so that no more for put we the farmers dem together for no go able for work day. But the transportation, when you calculate how much you dey spend for go for camp, wetin you dey go plant, wey you sell, you no go see nothing. So some of we no able for continue for
So
go.
now that una na farmer dem, una na woman dem, and but some woman dem still dey wey dey say me I no go be farmer o, me I no go go plant that kind work dey o. Yes, but yet they want for it the fresh vegetable and all of that. So whose encouragement you go give to woman dem for make dem no watch am one kind way, like say na some demeaning or like for put am back Creole, so less profession.
Well, like wetin dey talk so na true. Some people dem get one kind way wey dem dey look you if you say you na farmer. But I dey tell you, the farmer na the most decent somebody. Me wey I dey go na me farm, I dress when I saw the dress, I hold me bag. I go na my farm. Where I reach, I get me overall, I get me boots, I undress, I change, I do me work. Where I done, I get me toilet bag na my bag, I wash, I change, I take me bag back, I go na my house. So sometimes the time where I will transfer na with other house wey people dey no know say me na farmer. Where I can offer dey go. Mommy, how the tongue, how the work, how the business? I say fine. Because dem always take am say farmer e for always dirty. Wey not so the dem just dey understand wetin e mean. Any work wey you dey do, e left to how you maintain yourself. Doctor wey wan for go work, na when e reach now working place, e change, e wear im coat, e go work. Wetin e do there na im sabi. When e don dress fine, go inside motor car, e go. So me sef na me work. I dey dress fine. When I reach, I change, I do me work. When I done, I carry na me house. Na there I dey dress, na me office landing. So if you look say farmer na person wey for dirty, no.
So
And we for now sef agriculture, we dey say we own agriculture, not so mama dem kind. Wey e don work done, e just say was it to turn back na house. So no, we own agriculture for now. Na sexy, chubby agriculture na we dey do.
What?
Yes.
Chubby agriculture.
Yes, na we dey do now.
For me appearance sef, I dey say as I really chubby agriculture.
Yes.
So money dey, una get money.
Yes, me, I no go tell you lie. Me, I no dey work for person right now for 1,000 rings. I no dey do am. I dey go na me farm. Yes, because na for the time normal wey you dey put the thing at ground, say for there e come up, when you begin harvest, you no go add up. Because if na the cocoa you plant, if you pick cocoa today, na 3 days you dey pick back. Say e left for beer, if you pick today, 3 days you dey pick back. So who's work I go dey go dem dey pay me 3 days. I get for the give lunch, I get for pay school fee. You see, and if I work the day wey I tire, I no get for go report, so nobody say yes sir. So when I need can work, no. I just dey don weed me farm, and water fine I go. In fact, sef when you take 2-3 days you no go na your farm, where you go? Once you don weed that, you don make am fine, you dey see changes. You dey see e dey grow fine because God bless farming. E no dey wait say pass the owner dey before e grow. Even e no dey, e dey do e work.
So how una dey support una sef as woman dem for this farm work?
Well, where we dey, like me na me own area wey I dey work. I get woman dey wey I dey work with. Because the responsibility dem boku money, if you dey carry na your hand sef, but if you no get way you dey manage am, e no go be easy. So I dey call the company, we dey come together, we dey make some still like osusu. So we dey eat small thing wey month don we dey give one person.
Like a muscle.
Well, at times it depends to how the sales can dey per year. Sometimes if the sales dem good for we, sometimes we dey give them 200 for month, 300 for. It depends to how the sales dey. So if we eat for one person, if you no for go pay for your pikin school, if you go pay, then you continue your work.
Alright, that's na Memunatu Sise, wey na the Secretary National Federation of Farmers Western Area Urban Well, then say now na chubby agriculture.
Yeah, chubby agriculture.
Chubby agriculture. Auntie Mary, he said no go think follow all the nice chubby agriculture.
It look like we got funny. Yes.
Tell us now, then they push the feed salon.
I dey tell you.
Push the feed salon.
Agriculture na dem get money now. And then they determine wetin we dey eat.
I dey tell you.
Because how dem dey sell, na so we dey buy.
Alright, we go come to we get them shortly, but then we also do we company we don't join inside the studio Abdukabia with the latest in sports. Good morning.
And David, I know it's not interesting at the World Cup. They see the news they happen every day at the World Cup. They see big team, then they beat the team that they expect say.
So surprises.
A lot of surprises, even to last time. Also,
yeah, last night the big one. We saw the Atlas Lions of Morocco as they sailed to the round of 16. You know, for Morocco will take on a bigger team where everybody will look forward to say yes, the Netherlands, a team where get strength, they for go to already for splendor surprise. They tell you say like very good one. They should say the African game don't grow in more ways than one, and we don't see improvements around African football with the coaches there, the players. the development. Recently, when the president of CAF, that the Confederation of African Football, did talk to our international media organization, say the main goal as president now, within a CAF, that for ensure African football gets to USA one they want the African team in the World Cup. Probably this will be the year because of the performance of Morocco and the Blue Sharks of Cape Verde, the Black Stars of Ghana. These are teams that we don't exhibit the true skills of African football and world stage. We hope that we will get interesting. So we also see Brazil win and beat South Korea 2-1 for go to the next stage, the round of 16. An interesting one. And Germany, everybody will feel them will pull two against Paraguay, but unfortunately for them, and the tough match with them decide on penalties. We see them feel out for the first 10 way, they pull them, the player, all they cry, this is a very sad moment. When you come out of the round of 32, go to the round of 16. And Morocco make big headlines. So we hope that the other teams can copy from them. Now, the local league now, we see outside the teams that they do well. And recently, Susa is announced to beat Mighty Black. After they don't beat in the FA Cup final, the same player who scored at the FA Cup final, that's Sulaiman Escabo, they score hat-trick against Mighty Blackpool. When he's announced to Mighty Blackpool, the previous had two big teams there. Also, the Salon Football Association don't conclude the ordinary congress, the first for President Babadi Kamara Nabona, the Wizard Complex. Usai we see them engaged. One of the things, the highlights of their events in about encouraging women into sports. We Usai Super Pele Bangoa, the former female footballer in this country. They tell thank you to the president and also the initiatives they will put forward for supporting the woman game. He said, every days the opportunity when young girls to get to, they know they get up. Imagine when they play for Soccer Angels, it's the Lioness, all them teams they know them they play for back in the day, the Presents and all. They say they really tough for them. So when the young player they get the opportunity, say you feel happy and you're always there around for inspire them because they now an ambassador for the woman they know they play football and one for ensure say the right thing. But Badi Kamara, the president, in talk about how you don't transform the regional FAs, then that is football associations in the regions. They don't increase their subvention and money the money they get. See them, they get something like $15,000. So it shoots up to 50,000. So they're going for managers, they do all waiting they're supposed to do. So now like one boost, and also it's about youth football and the talent development scheme what they call the TDS. This is like FIFA project where also then look forward for see that they develop the next generation of footballers and when they come to. And also get football for school project where they get for get shout off at the Bow Government Secondary School and the Albert Academy and other few schools them around with these projects but at the end of the day. So then things that will take place now, born at the Wizard Complex and so plenty things there for develop football. Now the British High Commission has said we don't tell goodbye to the team we get for born at the 2026 Commonwealth Games at Glasgow, but it's not next month, July to August. So according to the team when they go there and the athletes and they assure the nation, including the commission, say when they go to represent Sierra Leone. And some of the people that we've been talking about the disabled athletes, then we get Abdullah Matia and Saleva Tukago. Then two athletes here been say now like a blessing for letting them at parts of the team when they go to the Commonwealth Games. So they assure them say when they go to represent Sierra Leone because from the qualifying, don't begin win goals. So when the one going to the Commonwealth Games they go make Sierra Leone proud. So now be a moment where it's so interesting for see when the athletes give the assurance to the people of this nation and the High Commission see when they go now this game at Glasgow and go win for Sierra Leone and the win will be good. And the Minister of Sports Augusta James Steva will tell the commission thank you and then associations when they develop the athletes for represent Sierra Leone at the bigger stage. So this game will be an interesting event. Also Salondo mark the Olympic Day run. Also we see them get an event that the Hill Station Tennis Court. Outside them get one small get together. Outside them celebrate athletes who they do well after they don't get some health work and then be able to recognize disciplines like Sierra Leone table tennis, the Sierra Leone Archery Federation, and also for the sporting disciplines that will come around for celebrate the Olympic Day 2026. Now be an historic day and we see athletes and the day at the Hill Station Tennis Court, including the tennis family and table tennis together. So they talk about how they go on for see the development of the game. Also, the Salon Football Association inside in Congress, they don't announce the one that the league they run inside October, the man and woman league, because they realize they always the league they end late. But because of this, they don't put plans together now for see that the leagues they start in October. At least if they go down, they're done in June before time so that they don't for send teams who will represent Sierra Leone at CAF competitions and CAF Confederation Cup respectively. So at the end they happen at the local scene and we hope that we are fixing it. We'll come on against and go represent with pride.
Well, thank you to Abu Kabir as with the updates inside local and international sports. Well, now so we will come to text message and also.
All right, quickly before we take the text message that we come, we also will just want to listen to civil society activists and Monabu. We said get some concern as we get forget from the Sierra Labour Congress to manage the program, but we are also from Monabu. We could tell we didn't make of this reduction here. So yeah, good morning, Edmond. Hello?
Yeah, good morning, David. Good morning, Morning Coffee.
All right, so we see the call for reduction, and we see the government don't do the reduction on price of fuel. We see government don't reduce the pump price of fuel, and they call for a reduction.
Well, reduction on an insult, not proportionate, and not agree with the attempt. And every other person, the tells her, you're not going for play inside, you're not going to reduce that reduction enough for President Bureau, the OFC, and then so the one where they get private to carry. But you're not going for affect the common man. Like I tell you, the video for commot now, for instance, that lovely for campus now they 15. Now almost 25. For common you will not say Kisi Kalbaton will meeting for Ghana up one. Now they 15. Now you know. It all don't go to 20, they all long up. So it affects the livelihood of the people. So that 2 years, almost if you don't reduce the world market, it's not 40%. Almost the category yesterday. Now been 28.5 before the war starts, when they kill Ali Khamenei on the 28th of March or February 20 this year. It go as high as $120 per barrel. It don't come down back. So if you don't come down, we'd expect to say at least buy mobile, last, they go put on 30. Until government put on 30, we protest at the end. Or black protest at the end. You understand? So now I know what's up. And there's another argument where they say, oh, not just address. I don't see one new argument this morning. I don't have a new thing. Oh, ChatGPT say, now we get the lowest, now we get the biggest reduction. That argument is too shameful. Guinea not even increase it. Guinea, they bought 12,000 Guinea francs. We put up a salon money in 24 years.
But for Piano, they say now government they run the oil business, and we not to the same.
No, government they import for the and okay.
So Sarah, we not to the same. You know, compare.
Where Liberia? Where Guinea? Where Senegal? Where Ghana? Where you want look? Where you want to compare? If you want compare apple to apple. Not compare coconut to apple. You put it on a fruit. Compare yourself. You don't make your increment. Me and David are in a McDonald's market. David don't increase your apple by 100%. Me increase me by 10%. Why for compare me and David for put the price down? David are just 10% increase. Me not just 10%. David are increase you by 100%. So that contract is flat. Nobody knows for talk about. I don't tell the minister now for upset. Like, don't ever talk on the radio. It's shameful. That ChatGPT talking enough for the air.
All right.
So what you will say?
Yeah.
The fuel price, if I go back to taxes, now you una all sit down. Now you una all sit down. The Minister of Finance go to be many blame PRA bodies. Then go with an instrument, statutory instrument. What are billions per any 1 liter? What's the fuel bill 25? Diesel 24. They put 3 billions, not to make it go 28. Now you now be the one listing this one. Do you? Una listing this one carefully. This very I'm not for tell one time I tell people like what's money coffee do for last year. What's the SLBC do? Now they know all that's in SLBC. They go. That price down on the market. They go they look at themselves now, na chief minister office. They say no, nobody know for SLBO 27. Then they happen at Liberia? No. They happen at Guinea? No.
All right, we're gonna feed it for now.
They 24, 25.
Hello, okay, so I think we don't get your point. Edmond say they're still not happy with the reduction. Mr. Ansumana 20 from the National Petroleum Regulatory Authority as we close waiting you say concerning the CSO.
Thank you very much. earlier premise, one of the statements we make say, "Law compare apple for apple." Unfortunately, Sierra Leone, Guinea, Senegal, Ghana, all we say, okay, if we compare, now government they do importation, okay? Ghana get refinery, Senegal get refinery, and our government they handle importation and storage. Sierra Leone is quite different. So we don't that argument they know all water because it's just two different economies with two different business idea. Okay. Edmond they say again, for let price go down to pre-war level. Edmond they forget say let check. Okay, let me check again. I think this not to any fight. Let's just check what was the price on the 28th of February and waiting have been the price at that time to waiting at the price today. Where they say price for go down to pre-war level. Like I say, price come on 600, it go over $1,500 per metric ton. The conversation we always they get is the price per barrel. Okay, 7.33 barrel na make 1 metric ton. So if you multiply the $72, the price we go call is over $500 per metric ton. So like I say, the price for refined products go over $1,500. As I talk to the time we used yesterday, it's around $1,999. Like what we are assure the people of Sierra Leone, we'll continue to monitor the numbers of refined petroleum products and we will translate that in the form at always and at every time.
All right, thank you. Let's take few text message. Mature blessed text message agriculture and the backbone to the development of any nation. They say therefore priority, therefore give to farmer they across the country for them go able for do their good fashion for play agriculture business could be full. Good morning, David. This one they say suggested if your pump price for reduced to 20 Leone to 21 Leone at most 25 Leone. So the ordinary people will forget the life in place. He say food na problem. Farmer Junior na Franconia. Send that text message there. I take another one. He say thanks to Abdul for the sports update. Moribajo Jemi Nabo for Matthew Philemon Bayona Watalo. Say I think for get a one-on-one for ask the president question. Saying go ask and say dear Papa President, would I really a thief from the ordinary salon people then? They say because they want to know some of them thing and they make the country, they push the way if for push. Another one way I would take, they say plenty, thank you. So morning coffee for way then they always they allow the voices of the people or make they able for say what they want for say. They say really this now democracy to the highest level. Come up from Abib na Fankunia. This one or the one I will look quickly. They talk about the town hall meeting. It say make president continue this kind of good work here. So it say if you get away safe for 1 2 times a year. It say the one day for me really fine. Say but anyways the one time for yourself they appreciate them and make the waiting they look for year make they able for taken into good faith, especially the road where people then they complain for different sign of the country. We will left the text message then they and we'll come to guess the Madam Samu. What you make of the text messages so far?
Well, I believe that the text messages are all appropriate, as far as democracy is concerned, and very positive. And instead they join the listeners for the people, we put them for tell and say, when they appeal for them, this thing will continue. I mean, they talked to a colleague in the Ministry of Information and say there are a lot of people when they support them out there in the field for carry on this exercise. It's not easy because for government, for MDAs to which I myself belong, most of the time now resources. I'm sure Ministry of Information will want for let it do this even twice a year for go around. But now the resources for doing because it's not easy for most group. But thank God we get private sector where they come in, where they help the ministry. And so that is now where they say for it go one for let it come twice a year. That's not a bad idea, but now the resources with the appeal to well-meaning private sector for let they support the government for let it reach to the people. Where they always say where they work, waiting are the things that we government they put in place for let we get on to the people because the people now they are the most important commodity in our governance. Whatever you say, you're not go able if in your own country, they take the people there into consideration, and not go born good picking. So I'm glad for the many commendation of this exercise of this presidential town hall meetings. We hope say they pray that the Ministry of Information will continue for the resources for carry on this particular program here that they're not going to be stalled at any point in time because we not really get any negative feedback about why they do this.
All right, thank you so much, Madam Samo, National Commission for Democracy Executive Chairperson. Well, now we come to Madam Memona to say the word we go left with Famble, we be close to the program.
First of all, I want to tell 50-50 then thank you for this wonderful training where they give you on climate change. And we promise them say the training no go go in vain. We go extend the training to the company them and we go engage with community stakeholders then for learn then go able for help we and this flooding business. One for tell them but thank you. Then on behalf of my colleagues in our western area, one for tell thank you to the Honorable Minister Dr. Henry Mustapha. One for tell and thank you for all what he don't do from Wakana office. But I want to send message to him. Now for western area, we the farmers in our western area. We the farmers in our western area we dey feel neglect because they take and say western area we not get a place for plant. So any project, any good thing we can, they jump over we can go apply. And we na free soil now we dey give una well body o. Now they give una yam, now they give una vegetable, they una dey eat so una dey get well body. So if una dey drop some of the goodness then I will aid una send an upline, we dey beg the minister do let consider we in our western area for support. Let consider we for support we so that we go able for do better. So now my message down the way I get so me company farmers then our for sale continue for do the good work. So the one they always say agriculture not to better thing. Una dey losses so na the word down there. One for tell una thank you.
All right, thank you so much as well for we take time for joining at the program. In fact, we said the government is much more bold than we give for plants, spring onions, the backyard garden because better day. All right, Asumana, what you go left with Fambu?
Famble, we want to assure the entire Sierra Leoneans that we in our petroleum regulatory authority and the government, we are very much transparent in petroleum pricing formula, and we will transfer all gains who get through the pricing formula to the public at any time when there is need.
All right, thank you. We go take Brad Polly.
Inside church? Nobody is saying inside church, but they are even basketball. On Sunday, basketball inside church.
Me driver, give a message. You can go to her. Yeah, for the work. Yeah.
Inside church, they worship the maker.
Lord.
Alright, so I say thank you to Brother Polly and to our guests that we join with, to our team this morning, Stephen Daramola, Sally Futama, Jiran Sise. Thank you to we colleagues there across the country, we community and partner station, we regional stations there across the country. Before I go, remember it says we come out from Makomi Brown, we tap now Watalo, and Makomi say that word we must know the able talk, now knows the talker.
Any demand comedy we want really for talk.
Exactly. You know, then all I can call them brain and the living encyclopedia.
Exactly.
Common sense, bokuna.
Exactly. That's really common sense.
All right. Well, me comping.
My name is Ibrahim Samuel. According for listening to SLBC. Family members say at 12 we're gonna another edition of the program in an English version. We're gonna all update. Also, always happy Makemi with the tell on to SLBC radio.
So till tomorrow.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.